This is the versatile MSR Switch stove system. It's the perfect choice, whether you're looking for your first backpacking stove or your new favorite. From boiling water to cooking from scratch in the backcountry, the high-performance Switch adapts to your culinary needs. The included 1-liter Switch system pot is designed for speedy boiling and easy cleaning, thanks to its unique patent-pending hemispherical pot bottom. Rehydrating meals, making fast coffee, and cooking noodles are a cinch with internal graduation marks and a convenient strainer lid. If you want to get a little more gourmet or cook for more people, the Switch is ready. With a simple flip of the pot support legs, you can cook with any pot or skillet you like. Make eggs with a non-stick skillet or spaghetti in a larger pot. When you're done, flip the legs back in and heat water for hot chocolate in the Switch pot. No matter what cookware you're using, operating the Switch stove is easy. A built-in piezo igniter lights the stove with the click of a button. Unlike many stoves in its class, the Switch features a pressure regulator, which provides a significant boost in performance and fuel efficiency. The pressure regulator makes the Switch more consistent in colder temperatures, at altitude, and when the fuel level in your canister is low. It also improves flame control for precision cooking. Unlike its competitors, which are just made to boil water, the Switch can maintain an even simmer to perfectly cook delicate foods. The removable Cork Cozy is burn resistant and won't melt in case of accidental contact with heat. Cork also provides a better grip when wet, minimizing the chance of spills. The Switch system nests into a compact and lightweight package that's easy to stow in your pack. Layer the included pack towel, perfect for cleanup, in the bottom of the pot. Place the stove on top of the towel, then fold up the canister stand and put it inside the stove's ring support. Set a 4-ounce ISOPRO canister on top and put the lid on the pot. The included cup nests on the outside of the Switch pot. That's it, packed and ready to go. Ready to have the freedom to cook your way in the backcountry? It's time to switch.